What is going on, everyone? In our last video, we left off discussing cancer induction within our continuation of the continuum of our continued coherence crises on the cellular, molecular, civilization, every single level, cosmic, how we continue to stay on the continuous train of the entropic engines that are destroying our society. They're destroying you, they're destroying your family, they're destroying your animals, and will continue to destroy everything, because anything made on destructive energy creates destructive societies. So, let's get back into this. Some emerging insights from the quantum biology field suggest that environmental stressors actually interfere with delicate quantum processes of coherent energy migration and or electron tunneling in cellular machinery, which actually amplifies pathways towards malignancy by undermining the coherence essential for healthy cellular regulation. So essentially, guys, when there are tiny particles of chemicals that are damaging your cells have instructions on where to go, who to do what, when, why, on how to take care of your living organism. And on the molecular level, what happens is these instructions get all scrambled up. So then you can have cancer happen because your body doesn't know what to do. Things can start to overgrow because your instructions are all jacked up, and therefore you can't instruct your cells to do what they need to do. So when the rules are gone, the cells are like, well, we don't know what to do, and then it's a free-for-all and anything can happen. Now, beyond molecular damage, we have pollutants that actually disrupt the body's bioelectric signaling networks, which is endogenous voltage gradients that guide cell differentiation, I can't say that, tissue repair, and organ patterning. So when these electrical cues are perturbed, cells may misinterpret positional information, contributing to tumor formation and impaired wound healing and developmental abnormalities. So essentially, guys, this will, anytime the signals, the electric signals aren't working well, your wiring and firing gets all jacked up in your system. You're going to have slower healing, you're going to have abnormal growths, and you can also have issues with developing babies. So the building and repair can go awry in your body, in your system, in your best friend's bodies and systems, in your family's bodies and systems, in your children's bodies and systems, in your beloved animals, dogs, what have you, bodies and systems. So we have industrial toxins not merely damaging cells, but also interfering with your body's pattern memory and blueprint that maintains the actual structural integrity and functional integrity of your body. So, if that doesn't make you upset, I don't know, makes me upset. Respiratory and cardiovascular burdens. So let's transition with fine particulate matter triggering systemic inflammation by penetrating deep into the lungs and into your bloodstream, because what goes into the lungs goes into your bloodstream, where it irritates vascular endothelium and promotes plaque formation, contributing to, you guessed it, heart attack, strokes, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, and bronchitis. Nitrogen dioxide exposure is linked to over 10,000 new cases of childhood asthma annually in the United States, resulting in frequent emergency room visits and lifelong inhaler uses and disrupted education for affected families in overburdened communities. Internally, these pollutants actually exacerbate oxidative stress and disrupt the mitochondrial function, the cell's energy hubs, leading to impaired electron transport and increased reactive oxygen species. In quantum terms here, this interferes with coherent vibrational modes that facilitate efficient energy transfer within the mitochondria, shifting cells from order, low entropy states toward thermodynamic inefficiency and chronic inflammation. Okay. In the next video, we'll discuss a little bit about the reproductive harm.